the only way out.
Except for this, maybe.
Another vent? No, not again.
No, wait a minute. What's this up here? Dylan, give me your hand. I need somebody's help. There you go. Any idea where we are?
Okay, 2 more levels after this. Come on.
Got it? Oh my God, what is this place?
This is a ballast tank. They fill these up to keep the ship stable. That valve right there leads to the tank next door. That may be our way through.
Maybe what other way
Wait
is
a minute.
there?
It's a pressure valve. Won't open unless there's tremendous pressure.
Oh, don't tell us we're trapped.
No, it'll open.
How?
By flooding this entire tank.
Exactly.
No, that's insane. No, you
Dylan,
can't
don't
do
even
that.
know if it's gonna open.
Wait
a minute. We drown ourselves?
No one's drowning. That valve will open and the water will carry us from one tank to the next until we find another
my
open
God.
hatch.
That's
I didn't
crazy.
even know there's another open hatch.
Or if we can find it before we run out of
It's
air.
our only option!
What about the AC vent down there? We never tried that.
Yeah, let's try the new vent.
I can't go back there. I'm sorry. Just go without me. I can't.
Mom, the water's coming!
Get away!
Dylan, look.
We need to make it.
Dylan, honestly, You better be right. Flood it.
Oh my God.
Okay, everybody back up!
way.
Get back!
You can't.
Come on, get back there!
Come here. Come here.
Come here, crazy.
Here we go! Get back!
Come here.
And here it comes!